Neil here from Clean. Working on a commercial premise today. This is a wedding and reception venue in the Dandenong Ranges. Beautiful venue. Feel like I'm Jungle Jim today. As you can see, I'm working amongst the ferns, underneath the ferns. They're getting all over me. This customer's actually asked for a detailed clean, so as you can see here, what I'm doing is I'm actually washing the windows down, including all the frames, and then I'm actually scraping every single section of glass. We do offer this kind of clean. It does cost more than your average clean, but the added value is that once it's done, once I've done this once for a customer, you can pretty much rely the windows will be good for a good period of time. As you can see here on that, can you see all this paint here? So I'm getting all of that off with the scraper. That's a beautiful thing for this customer, so they won't have to see any of that, and their windows should be good. They won't have to do a detailed clean. You can see all that dripping down now for some time. So if you do need your windows detailed, we certainly can offer that, and happy to give you a quote to do that. Thanks folks.